Hello kids, welcome to CAA YouTube channel. I am Teacher Menea. Today we are going to learn about letter Q, okay? This is letter Q, okay? Letter Q. Letter Q. Uppercase Q and lowercase q, okay? Uppercase Q and lowercase q. Now I'm going to stick the letter Q on the whiteboard. Okay. What is the sound of letter Q? Everyone? Yeah, the Q sound kf. The Q sound kf. Okay? Q sound kf. The Q sound kf. Now I will tell you how to write letter Q. This is uppercase Q. I will show you how to write uppercase Q. We start from the top to the circle and then one line near the bottom, okay? Uppercase Q. Start from the top to the circle. One line near the bottom, okay? We start from the top to the circle and then one line near the bottom. Top to the circle and then one line near the bottom. This is uppercase Q. And now how to write lowercase q? Okay, start from middle curve and then up to down. Middle curve, top to down. Middle curve, top to down, okay? And I have three words to show all of you. The three words that start with letter Q. Okay? The first word is Q, quiet. Q, quiet. Okay? The second word is Q, queen. Q, queen. Okay, everyone? Can you repeat? Queen. Okay? Yeah, very good. Queen. The last word is Q, quilt. Q, quilt. Okay? Q, quilt. Okay? Quilt. Can you repeat again? Q, quilt. Okay, great job. Quilt. Now I will read again for you. Q, quiet. Q, queen. Q, quilt. Okay, now your turn. Okay, now let's practice with me about the song. Okay? Q is for quiet. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Okay? Practice with me. Okay. Q is for queen. Q is for quiet. Q is for queen. Q is for quiet. The last one. Q is for queer. Okay, everyone? Thank you for your watching. Hope to see you next time. Okay, goodbye everyone. Good luck for you.